Hi everyone, I am Efe. I am freshman electrical and electronics engineering student in Bilkent University. Today I would like to present my Physics 101 final project, which is called Determination of the Relationship between the Mass and the Flight Time in the Free Falling Motion.
To begin with, I would like to share the objects which I have used during my experiment. I used three books whose masses are 831 grams, 955 grams, and 1291 grams, and I measured their masses by weighing machine. I paid attention to select books having equal widths to equalize the drag force being exerted on them. In addition to them, I used my phone's timer to measure the flight time during the free falling motion and a ruler to determine a height from the surface. First, I dropped the book with mass 831 grams, 80 centimeters height from the surface as I determined, and I measured the flight time that the book spent before it hit the ground. Then I applied the same procedure to the other books. By table 1, it can be seen that the magnitude of the mass of the objects did not have an impact on the flight time since their flight times are slightly different from each other. By table 2 and by equation 2, it can also be seen that their accelerations are almost equal since the accelerations of the objects were not affected by the magnitude of the masses. By table 3 and by equation 1, their final velocities are also claimed to be almost equal to each other. According to the table 4, the error rate, which is approximately 25% of all objects, is not negligible since in experimental acceleration there are two forces being exerted on the object, whereas when measuring the theoretical acceleration, the air drag force is not considered. To conclude, this experiment was so beneficial for me to understand how the free falling motion works and what the association between the magnitude of mass and flight time of the free falling objects is.